In this session, let us explore smart cities and smart homes. Do you think our city is smart? Why? And why not? We all can play our part in building a smart city. So what are smart cities? Smart cities are cities that have digital technology embedded across all city function. May it be education, may it be building, may it be shopping, may it be traffic management, street light, transport, waste management, every function shall use the digital technology. What are the objectives of smart city? The first objective is the basic infrastructure, such as adequate water supply, assured electricity supply, sanitation, efficient public transport, affordable housing, good governance, sustainable environment, safety and security of citizens, health and education. All these will automatically lead to improvements in our quality of life, which is the second objective. The third objective is clean and sustainable environment where there is no pollution and the air, water and energy are clean. Basically, a healthy and safe environment in which greenery is maintained and the natural resources are made available for future generation. The fourth objective is to bring in harmony and quality of work life so that there is less stress and citizens are more productive at work. The fifth objective is the application of smart solutions to improve the living experience of citizens in the smart city. Now, let us see the components of smart cities. The first component is smart governance. Second component is smart living. The third component is smart mobility. The fourth component is smart economy. The fifth component is smart environment. And the sixth component is smart people. Smart governance. Smart governance allows the use of internet and digital technology to create a progressive work environment. It is about using the technology to facilitate better planning and decision making. Smart governance is also about improving the democratic processes and transforming the ways in which public services are delivered. It is also about e-governance that uses AI and Internet of Things. Smart living. Citizens in a smart city can enhance their day-to-day living experience with latest technologies. It's also characterized by diverse cultural facilities available to all people. Smart living is also characterized by having world-class hospitals and colleges in the city. It should also have good quality housing to all citizens in the city. All this could be made possible with the help of IoT and AI. The next component is smart mobility. Smart mobility means the city should have good accessibility to various cities in the country by road or by air or by water. It has to make use of technologies for designing bridges and highways. Intelligent transport system has to be there. The last mile connectivity of transport must be provided to all possible areas outside the city as well. The transport system should be sustainable, not polluting the environment. Also, it has to take care of the safety of the commuters in and outside the city. Smart economy describes all actions aimed at transforming and strengthening the municipality's economy. Smart economy should provide conditions that support the creation and growth of business as well as new jobs, creating a global economic image, productive and flexible labor market, and international branding, all with the help of digital intelligent technologies. The next component is smart environment. This describes how the municipal government manages the environment of the city with no pollution, proper natural resource and waste management. It should also focus on greenery in every part of the city and protect the existing greenery in the city. Now the last component of smart city is smart people. Smart city is incomplete without us, right? So smart people aims at transforming the way citizens interact via ICT. Smart people should know how to make use of latest technology and must have these three important traits. They are lifelong zeal to learn, open-mindedness, and creativity. So these are the 6 components of smart city. When everything in the city is smart, what about our homes? What would our house need? Let us learn about it. A smart home. A smart home is one that has smart devices along with AI-powered technology to provide new possibilities. It's a digitized home with technologies like Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. It is made up of a number of devices like the smart washing machine, smart lights, smart speaker, smart cameras, smart TVs, smart robotic cleaners that one can communicate with and work from distant places using a simple mobile application. So in this session, we have learned what is a smart city, what are the objectives of a smart city, what are the components of a smart city, and what are smart homes. I hope you have understood the concepts clearly. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.